Hello, hello. We are back. Sorry I haven't seen you guys in a while. I was busy building something to make some more interesting videos, and she came out pretty well. It doesn't have any iron sights. I got to do something about that. And I've got a red dot, but I don't have what I need to hook the red dot to the top rail. So right now all I've got is this O-light, which was made for pistols, but I liked it. So it's got, a flashlight and a green laser. And we're shooting right now. We've got, here, if I can get it open. Okay. Right now we are shooting these, which I believe are PPU 5.56. Come on. There you go. And maybe in a little while we'll do some green tips. And I've got these things over here, these steel. And I brought up these, which are pieces of steel right here. They're about that thick. Here, look. There's a cigarette next to them. That's how thick they are. Same as here. And what they are, if anybody wants to know to get them, to use them for yourself, is in file cabinets, they have these in there in order to make it so when you open the drawer up, it doesn't just fall over because of all the weights of your files. So we're gonna see what we can do. Oh, look at that, my camera says I only have 4 minutes worth of video left on it. And I'm gonna try something from right back here, which is, I don't know, 20 yards. Yeah, about that. So I'm gonna pause you because I only have a couple minutes and get everything ready. Alright, we're back. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see what kind of damage we did. We've only got a couple seconds left here, so. Alright. Oh, God. You see that? Pretty good size holes. Went in pretty far there. There is a little bit on the back. And this one over here is pretty good too. Let's look. What do we have right back here? Oh, look at that. Oh no, that was from what I shot before.